Good afternoon. We're doing Revolution Chinese New Year basketball for Justin. Good luck, Justin. Good luck, man. Here we go. Jordan, I do have an 8-box case of this if you want. Brunson. You want a case. Giannis. Hey, Kevin. Whenever you're back. Justin, just send direct on these. Can you make sure the Chinese New Year boxes are zeroed out, please? I don't, because we're getting down to the end, and I don't want to disappoint anybody. Amari Spellman. Kuzma. Me too. 28 of 88. Emerald. I think it's emerald, isn't it?
The green?
Yeah. And then the 8s, which we need to pull, is gold. Hollow gold. Okay. Looking for a hollow gold Luka. Or Trey. Costas. The boxes, yeah. There's a case left.
Yeah, that's not in here.
Oh. Okay. Well.
What price are you at?
75. So it'd be.
You want me to upload 8?
Well, I'd rather sell just to the case. 8 at 75, whatever. There's a Trey base. That's a regular regular Revolution.
Make it what, $6.50 for the case?
Shy Chinese New Year. Colin Sexton, Chinese New Year rookie. Giannis, Chinese New Year. He was a Really good player for the Pittsburgh Pirates. 3 of 88. He's not a Hall of Famer though, is he?
I don't think so. I think he's more like a,
Like All-Star.
yeah.
Kyrie.
I would say, what, maybe like a, I'm trying to think of a basketball term. Basketball comparable.
Well, he's an All-Star.
I don't know, what, like a Dan Marley in basketball?
Dan Marley? Okay, gotcha.
Yeah, back in the day when he was good.
I gotcha.
I don't know why Dan Marley came to mind, but it is what it is.
Well, man, good. You're hitting good. 25 of 88. Superstars. Klay. Where is our Luka rookie? There it is. Luka, Chinese New Year.
Boom.
Congrats, man. Way to keep going, Jordan. Some nice cards today, man. Kevin Hooter. Justin, I'm sorry. My apologies. TJ. Michael Bridges. Blake Griffin. Or a Blake Griffin, Chris. That would be another.
Blake Griffin.
Nah, Blake might have been better than.
Okay, so that's a Al Oliver.
Well, Griffin was a big star at one time. I mean,
Yeah, Al Oliver never took the world by storm.
Okay.
and there were people that used to really collect Blake.
Ooh, what about like a Michael Finley?
Okay. Tons of potential and never.
Well, maybe that's wrong. He had a good career.
Did good, but not by any words. Like, didn't do a lot.
Justin, thanks, man.